Hey everyone! Hello there fam! Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss A, your classy beauty savvy, and I'm coming at you for episode number 2 of my bed makeover video. Yay! I do enjoy doing these kinds of videos because I get to share some beautiful finds and techniques on how you can really style your bed. I know I'm not an expert, I'm still trying things out, and I also do listen to your comments and feedback, so thank you so much for sending me those feedback and comment from the previous episode. So if you haven't watched that yet, feel free to do that first before watching this video. I'll go and put a link or an iCard above, or even share it here somewhere in the screen so you can go watch that first. So if you notice, I'm actually wearing my jammies today. It's just a very chill and casual video for you guys today. So if you want to see how I style my bed this time around, then keep on watching. This is the bed sheet that I have bought or gotten from Hosh. Again, this is from Home World, and this was for only $499.75 pesos. And what I love about this time around, I got the full 4-piece set. So we already have the one fitted sheet. That's 54 by 75. Then we have one flat sheet. It already has the kumot or the blanket that we need. That's 60 by 90. And 2 pillowcases, 20 by 30. So what I love about this is, again, it's my favorite. This is going to be perfect for the branding of this channel. This one is the marble bed sheet set. Amazing. Now, this is for the other pillowcases or pillows that I have on my bed. And this one is from Kingston again, the Deluxe Perfect Sleep version or collection. And I got the, again, one pair queen size 20 by 30. And I only got this for $169.75 with 20% off. So this was around 130 plus. And then if you notice, I decided to get the white version. I listened to your comments and feedback from the previews bed makeover. So this one is a plain white now because my bed sheet and other pillowcases have design or prints. So if you notice, I don't know if you can, it has this really nice design. It has this more of like a Gucci design or print. I don't know if it's reflecting, but it's beautiful. And here is for my throw pillows. So we have throw pillow sheets here. So this one, I decided to pick up a very neutral tone, and this one has this really nice pattern to it. I love it, again, because it has my favorite color. That's my favorite color, more of like gold, pale gold. I like rose gold as well. I have yet to find a bed sheet that's rose gold, but anyway, this is what I've picked up from SM Homeworld again. It already comes in pairs, 125 peso per pair. you guys, and I'm very, very pleased and ecstatic. I just can't tell you how much happy I am to have been able to find a marble bed sheet like this. It's so good. It's perfect for my branding. If you haven't noticed yet, my banner here on YouTube has this marble backdrop and gold lettering for my name. So I'm very pleased to have found something like this. I can't wait to see you again on my next video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Like this video for another bed makeover episode that will soon to come. And of course, I'll see you again on my next video. Goodbye, fam. Bye.